I'm at the uppity part of downtown Houston, man. It's our first time watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It's my first time coming out here. Hopefully I get y'all some good content. I ain't gonna lie. We about to see what we can do. Sheesh. Bro, that truck is too damn low to the ground.
Sorry, in 5 months. That's what I'm jealous about. Fuck everything else. In 5 months, where you go?
I don't know what they talking about, but they talking about money. I need to go get a part of it.
Exactly, that's what I want to do.
Man, as y'all can see, it's just a bunch of rich people coming together. Ooh, look at the Cadillac. Okay, I finally know a car I know, man. Sheesh, look at the Cadillac, baby. Sheesh. And that is nice. That's nice. That Corvette. Hop in the motherfucking jet like that. Yeah, that shit nice. Sheesh. Ooh. They got the green out here, man. Green on the scene. Oh my God, there go my baby right there, bro. Come here. Come on, manifest. Look at this, man. This is my car right here, y'all. This is my little dream car I want. If y'all don't know, man. 100K subscribers, I'm gonna try to get the, yes sir, man. I'm trying to get the G-Wagon. G-Wagon, man. Sheesh. Oh yeah, man. This ain't nothing but a big ass rich event. Sheesh. That's nice, man. That's nice.
Catching was all super dirty. I was waiting for your audio to step it up, and I was like, I was like, I waited too late. I waited a second too late to go.
Bro, they're in
I was like, okay, I'm ready for the time.
V10 engines, bro. V10 engines. What the hell is that over there, bro? V10 engines, bro. Like I said, man, if y'all watching, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I know this video, I mean, I'm just showing off cars that ain't mine, but you feel me? No Mustang. That's nice. Oh my God, look what we have here. Sheesh. Oh my God, bruh. Bruh. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all.
There's one that sold for like $275,000. Still heroes. Last one was on Baton Rouge, a white turbo in Florida. The thing was wrecked. Seats were like all torn up leather and sun damage. It was had salt water, like, you know, everything was rusted. No, it was a
Bro, we got the Lambo out here, bruh.
automatic turbo.
I thought you were saying this was an E30 Damn, that's great.
Went for like 50, 60.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yes. Dream car.
Right. We got the Mustang Cobra. Jeez Louise. Slow down, baby. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. It's a lot of nice cars out here, man. You know, this is a lot of high-end cars. I'm more of the street racing, drag racing, but I'm trying to get y'all all kind of content on the channel, man. So y'all let me know if y'all into stuck cars like this. Oh, this Beamer is hard, bro. The peanut butter insides. Sheesh. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh.
So this one was my father's. So he's had a bunch of ACRs and HRXs. This is the street car. Right. We've tried to keep it on the road. No. Strips K1000.
Bro, this Corvette is hard, bro. right, y'all, so look, check it out.
This car right here, a lot of people been talking about this car, man.
Somebody tell me about this car, man. What is this car from? They said it's an old school. Of course, it look old. Somebody please tell me where them red cars come from, cause sheesh, I do not know, man.
Oh my god. Bro. Sheesh. Oh, no, you good, G.
Teslas.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this was a great experience. This is my first time out here, y'all. It's a great experience, man. Great people, great energy. As y'all can see, man, they got all kind of cars out here. This is really hard, bro. Like, sheesh.
That's nice. That's real nice.
Sheesh.
It's nice, man. Oh yeah, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I just think I fell in love. I think I just fell in love with this one.